So you might be in a situation where for some reason your plugged in headphones are not working on your particular iPhone. Now, doing this is actually fairly basic for the most part, and it really doesn't take too much time at all. Now, number one, if you're plugging in your headphones, if you're plugging them in via USB Type C or Lightning, all you're going to want to do is make sure that those particular headphones and everything are plugged in correctly. Sometimes, if you're not going through and plugging them in correctly, that can be the number one issue that you might be running into. So just go through, re-plug in your devices here, and that can probably end up fixing the problem for a lot of people. So try re-plugging in those headphones, just plug them out and plug them back in, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. And for a lot of people, you'd be surprised that it might end up working for you. Now, if that doesn't end up working, another thing you can try doing too is to restart your iPhone. So go through, hold down both the volume up button and the power button at the same time. So just go through, hold down both those particular buttons, and then what's going to happen is this particular device will then go ahead and restart. So give it a few more moments, and then the phone will eventually just restart in general once it turns back on. Then you want to try going through and plugging in those particular headphones again. So try going through, plugging in those headphones again one more time, and that could very well end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are pretty much the main things. Now, if that still doesn't work, what I would recommend doing here is to go through and check your sound output settings. So you can go inside of your settings application here. Then what you're going to want to do is you want to go and click into sounds and haptics, which is right over here. Then click and try to see if you can find a thing that says like output audio. And if you see it, you might be able to go ahead and change out your particular settings of your particular output audio, like your headphones. And you can also try increasing your volume as well. So increasing or decreasing your volume, that could be another thing you can try doing as well. And finally, if none of those things work, you can try making your way over to your general settings, software update, and try software updating your iPhone. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.